Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are discussing a topic that has the potential to change your life: investing. Whether you're fresh out of college, you're just starting your career, or you're simply looking for ways to make your money work for you, hold on tight because this video is for you. Imagine your money working for you 24/7, even while you're sleeping. In this video, I would show you how this can be your reality, not just the thoughts, but your reality. Have you ever thought that the topic investing is daunting and too complex for you to understand? Don't worry, I'm here to show you it's not. So stay tuned till the end of this video. Investing in itself sounds complex, but it's simply you using your money to buy things that makes you more money without lifting a finger. You can use it to buy different kinds of assets, and some of these assets include stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and even money markets. You can choose to invest in whichever catches your fancy. The goal is to grow your money and be on your way to financial freedom. As opposed to popular belief, starting out is not as difficult as it seems. First, you need to set your goal. Setting your goal can be as simple as asking yourself why you're investing in the first place. Is it to buy a house? Is it your retirement plan? Or is it to start that business you dreamt of? Whatever the goal is, you just have to set it, because a clear goal would guide your decisions. Then you need to learn the basics. Yes, you need to learn the basics and understand the different options available, as well as the risk involved. In short, you just have to expand your knowledge. And with the little knowledge you have, start small. Honestly, it's not such a big deal. Just start small. No matter how little, just start. Unlike the popular belief out there, you don't actually need much to start investing. And once you start, you find yourself adding every single spare money you have that comes your way. And not just the spare money, you ensure that a bulk part of your income is allocated to investing. 10k today can make you more if you plant it right. And then you have to diversify. Sounds like such a big word, but it's really simple. You just need to put your eggs in different baskets. I mean, you just need to ensure that you don't invest in one fund, just like the popular adage out there. Don't put your egg in one basket. That definitely applies to investing much more than you think. Not putting your eggs in one basket means not investing in one fund is what diversification is all about. It's really simple, unlike the term that makes it sound so complex. However you understand it, either not to put your egg in one basket, not to invest in one place. Just understand the term diversification. And the most important part of this investing is that you might just have to change your name to patience, because investing is a really long-term game. I mean, even the popular investors like Warren Buffett had to invest for over 10 years before he could become a millionaire investor. He was simply lucky because he started early enough at the age of 11, while a lot of us just wanted biscuit, myself included. Yes, all we wanted was biscuits, but someone out there was busy thinking of his future and he started investing at that young age of 11. And loss simply part of the game, and that's why you need to learn along the way and not invest blindly. Risk is real. Yes, when it comes to investment, risk is real, but losing opportunities is far worse. So you can choose to go about this in two ways. The first option available to you is to choose to invest a certain amount regularly. This could be monthly, quarterly, or yearly. Just do it irrespective of what the market says at the moment. And the second option is you can choose to invest in funds that already offer diversification. These funds are funds like mutual funds or ETFs. This video is just a wake-up call. It's not a full crash course, so you can go back to read more on these things I mentioned, or reach out to me for a full course or a one-on-one consultation. But when you get this right, you will build wealth effortlessly. Investing in itself is not evil. It's actually a very powerful tool to achieve your financial freedom. It's daunting, but it's worth it. Take the first step to secure your financial future, and your future self will thank you for it. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more finance tips Also, share this to that one person you know needs this. Drop a comment or drop your questions. Drop the questions you would like me to talk about in the future. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video. Bye.